Back on my school workbench. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see Python programming. In this video we will cover three fundamental topics in Python, that is string, list, tuples. String, string. Here in string we will be learning how to declare, manipulate and use the string methods. String methods. Second thing which we are going to see is list. And in list we will be understanding the Python most flexible data structure, and it is built-in methods. Here we will come to know that string built methods and how it is flexible data structure. Third, we are going to see tuples. Tuples will be discovering immutable sibling of list. Here we see all the three string, list, tuple in detail. Your string is a sequence of characters enclosed with single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. String is single single quotes, triple quotes. String can be written in different. First we have to create a string variable str, and we have to save the value. The value should be enclosed in string. That should be enclosed in double quotes or single quotes or triple quotes. This is a way how you will be declaring string and string value to the string variable. This is the string characteristics. String characteristics. String characteristics immutable. String values cannot be changed once it is created. characteristic is index. Supports indexing and slicing. Supports various methods of strings. Seeing the string methods in detail in further explanation. This is the way we will be creating a string variable and assigning value. We access the string variable from index. But we can't able to change the value present in string once it is created. Let us see with an example. Try to change the string first character with J. First character is P. Changing it with J. If you try to execute this, it will show the string object does not support data assignment. Now let us see what all the string methods which are present and which is used in string operations. I'm going to explain the string methods with examples. Methods are void, void, let us see what the upper string method do. That's all the characters in string. String method will convert all characters to lowercase. Applies applies the first letter of the string. Fourth string method is title. Apply the title method will capitalize the first letter of each word in a sentence. String method removes the white space. This strip function removes the white space from both the ends of the string. Replace. The sixth method which we are going to see is replace method. Replace all the occurrence. This method will replace all the occurrence of A with B. Seventh method is find. This method finds the first index of the substring. First index of the substring. Here in find method I am passing the substring, so where it will find the substring in the original string and it will return the first occurrence of that substring. The eighth method we are going to see is count. Count method. In count method I have to pass string counts how many times sub substring appears in original string. That this sub is indicates it is a substring. Indicates substring which I am going to set, which I am going to add in the count method. The last two string methods include split and join. Split, split the string content into join. Join function will be passing interval. For join method joins the elements of an iterable with string separator. In control term, if I want to say join method, it is used to convert it is used to convert a list or a tuple or any iterable to back to the string. So let us see each string method with an example. Let's create a string. We have created a string and assigned a value with single quotes. As you know, the string is immutable and it is indexed. Each and every character is indexed in the string. first string method which we control is string upper. Now here we'll be passing the string and attaching that string with the upper function. So it will convert that string to uppercase. See, second function is string lower, which will convert the string to lowercase. Where the string was in lowercase is already converted to uppercase before method. Now the string will be in uppercase, that will be converted back to the lowercase through lower method. The third method is capitalize. Then it will capitalize the first character of a string to uppercase. Fourth method which we control is title. Method will convert each words of it will convert the first letter of each word to uppercase. You can see here this is a string, and string each words of each word's first character is converted to uppercase. The fifth method which we control is strip. Strip method will remove the white spaces from both sides of a string. See string beginning and string ending, there is more white spaces. If I use strip function to remove the white spaces from beginning and end. The sixth method is replace method. String, string replace method is used to replace the old content or old letter with new letter, old content with new content. Here string how to replace is with and run it. You can see in place of this and is replaced. This is a functionality. This is a function of replace function. Another string method is count. Count function it is used to count a word present in sentence. And using the count function to count a string or a word that is an. I can use word, letter, sentence in count function. For it, we should do here. See, I am trying to count the letter A, whether it is present in string and how many times it is present. If you want to calculate the number of times a letter present in the string, then I will be using the count function. The next function which I am going to say is set function. Split function is used to split the string into list based on separator value. It could be space or it could be semicolon, anything. Here if I use space, then the string will be converted to list. If I want this list back to the string, then I can use a join method. It will get back the list or the collection or the iterable back to the string. Join method get the list back to the string. Join method will be using here separator. Separator is comma semicolon. What thing I need to get back to the string is yes, yes value is string to need back to the string that is in list now that should be converted back to the string. that is list function. Converted by using the method. If I want to back to this, then this is nothing but list is an order. Store different data types. Creating list and the list item should be one inside the square bracket. The list item can be of different data types. As we know, list items is ordered and it is mutable. List definition practically, as we know, the list is ordered. What it means, it is indexed. Index, as we know, each and every character is ordered and it is indexed. You can access the character through index as per the definition. Let us try. So we are accessing the first character, so we will be given the index 1. At index 1, there is a value 12.5. By this example, we will be coming to know that list is indexed, is mutable. Let us check. The list is mutable. List and list first element, first item, right? Boolean value or anything. That is different. Because the value has been changed with value. The value has been changed. So the definition. See the list methods. The first method is append method adds x, where this function will add item, adds the item to the end of the list. Method is insert. This insert function will insert item X at the position I next method is extend. The extend method will add all the elements from another list. Your pop method will remove and return the item at index X. Removes the item which is present at last by default if index is not specified. Here, removes and returns item from index which is specified. Specified. Not specified. Not specified. Removes or returns from last. Okay. Method which you want to say is remove method. This remove method present in string list removes the first occurrence of X element from the list. If the method is clear, this method removes all the elements from the list. First seventh method is index. Return method, index method will return the X of the first occurrence of item B. Count method count method will counts how many times item X in the list. Method sorts the list in place. Last method list is reverse. Place. Yes, once again, it reminds what all the methods which we have listed and which we have explained. The list methods are of 10 types. That is, first method is append. It is used to add an item at the end of the list. Insert method is add an item at a particular index specified. Extend method will add another list into existing list. Pop method will use to remove or return the values from the list. By default, it will remove or returns the last element. If index is visible, that index value will be returned off. Remove method will remove those elements specified in the remove method from the list. Clear method will clear all the content from the list. Index method it is used to get the position or index number of the item which is passed in the index method of the list. Count method of list will count the occurrence of the item which is passed in count method from a list. Sort method will sort the list in ascending or descending as specified. Reverse method will reverse the list in reverse way. Let us see, see the definition of list method through an example. Let us create a list by name, numbers. First method which we have gone through is append. Append method will append the item which we pass through the append function to the end of the list, the end position of the list. You can say the functionality of the append method. Append method has taken the item 10 and it is added the item 10 to the end of the list. That's why it is said it was to add an item at the end of the list. And next method which I am going to say is position of the list. I am going to insert item. Try to print that list. Now you can see at the second position the item first has been inserted. The indexing of the list starts from 0 to n minus 1. The second method is extend. Extend method is used to add into another adding 11 12 list to numbers list. Add to add one list into another list, then using the extend method of list. If I do not specify index in pop function, then it will by default it will remove the last element of the list. You can see last element 12 is removed. You can specify the index in pop method also. I specify that index element will be removed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the fourth index value 5 will be removed off. Let us see the first method that is removed. particular value that the user want to remove from the list. Want to remove the bus value from the list. See, bus value has been removed. The next method is clear. Clear it is used to remove all the content from the list. You can see that all the elements of the list have been removed usefully. Let us see the seventh method, index. This method is used to find the index position of the item present in the list. If I want to see the uh, position of 10th element, if I want to find the position of 10th item, find the position of 10 value, then 10. Here 10 has been removed through clear function. Let's create this once again. If I want to get the position number of 5th element, 5 value, I have to use index function that is used to get the index of the 5th element, and the 5th element is present in the third index. 0, 1, 2, 3, third index of the list. Okay. The method is in list is count. It is used to count the number of items which we want to count. If I want to count, generally means that I am trying to count the value 2, how many number of times the 2 value is present in the list number. It will show as 1 because 2 is present only once in the list, so that's why it is written as 1. Now the last two functions which I am going to explain is sort. Sort is used to sort a list in ascending order. The list has been sorted. The initial list was in this way: 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6. 8, 6 was not sorted. As soon as I use the sort function in a list, then the list will be sorted. The last function is reverse. Reverse function will reverse the content of the list. Okay, let's see. Now tuple. What is a tuple and what are the methods present in the tuple? How it is used. For example, along with explanation. like the list, but tuple immutable means unchangeable. The tuple can be created in this way. Tuple name, two brackets, and it also says the items of different data types. One difference between the tuple and list: tuples are mutable, lists are mutable, the tuples are unmutable. Let us see through an example. Here, if I try change the first index value tuple with the value 9, value 9, it will show an error. The tuple object does not support item append. The similarity between the list and tuple is list and tuples are indexed. Both allows duplicates. Now let us see the tuple methods. The tuple methods are two types. The methods are only two because tuples are immutable. First methods include count, method will return the number of times item which appears in the list tuple. Index. Returns the index of first occurrence of the item X. Tuple name by name info. Counting by value how many times 12.9 value is present in the info tuple. That's why we will be using count method tuple. Index. Index. Present in the tuple, I will be using index. In index method, I will be passing the item for which I want to get the index position of that item present in tuple. Here, only the first occurrence of that item index will be shown off. Value is 2 times present in the tuple. But if I want to take the index of, if I want to take the position of 2.9 in the tuple, the first occurrence index is shown off. 0 index less than 0, 1, 2, 2. See, second index 12. lot for watching. I hope you now have a clear understanding of string, list, tuples in Python. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my uh, YouTube channel. Let me know in comments what Python topic do you need in future so that I can uh, ready my content according to your wish. Happy coding. Thank you.